Hi, this is a video I'm making at the end of the day, which is supposed to be the beginning of the day, because the video I made this morning to start the day off went through the intro and went into slow motion, and I have no idea why it did that. So hopefully this won't go into slow motion while I'm doing this little opening statement about it's kind of weird how I do a starting day video at the end of the day. So this is the starting of the video that we had a great day today. We did a walk, we cooked a chicken, and I guess with that I'll try to piece together something, but I'm doing great. My shoulder's doing great. This is video number 42 and of this whole thing about having a shoulder replaced. I'm going to go on with another 3 weeks of this, and who knows, if the channel works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I appreciate everybody who watches. I hope you have some form of entertainment out of it. It entertains me doing it, so that's a good thing. So off with the video, whatever comes of it today. Setting up my barbecue with about 3/4 of a stack, a little almost full stack of briquettes, and that is for my chimney. And this is a little aluminum pan that is going to be for some water. And then in the back here, I have a pan full of hickory chips that they're not soaked, I just leave them dry. And then I rolled up in a piece of aluminum foil and just rolled them up into a hot dog and laid them on the back side like that. When this is finished, I'll pour the coals in there and they will do enough smoke for what I want, the purpose that I need it. I don't want a whole lot of smoke, and there won't be a lot of smoke from them, but it will impart enough to give it some good flavor. We're going to take a walk, me and Miss Guy, and the chicken is in there. It's doing fine. It's been in there for about an hour. I don't like to peek at it. Once it's in there, I let it set. It went from 500. I'm going to show a few pictures of the temperature change. And it went from 5 to 4 to 3, and now it's like around 325, and it's staying there, and it'll stay that way for a long time. And I'll let that go for a couple hours, and then that chicken will come out absolutely fantastic. So I'll reveal that when that comes out, but for right now, I'm gonna go take a hike. We're standing in the very southeast corner of the farm, and this is Camps Creek that comes through the farm. We followed that one all the way from the beginning in another video a couple days ago. The waterfall's still running here, and we're way down by the quarry. So I have about a quarter mile back uphill to where I am and where I live, and that would be behind that big tree straight ahead, way up there. Right behind that tree is where we are going. So to get there, we have to go up this hill and then all the way around and down and across up to the farm. And of course we're going to pass the pond, and when we get down to the pond, I'm thinking we're going to end up with a couple dogs wanting to go swimming. We'll see. Got into this. It is absolutely delicious. Just in case you were thinking that this was dry, I love brining my birds when I cook them, because every time I always end up with this juicy, delicious meat. It's all with the brining. And that is not dry at all. A little bit of pink, primarily from the smoke. Well, that's the end of the video for today. The wind has come up. It's gotten really chilly out here, and a couple more days, another atmospheric river, but it's all good. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, I hope.